April, I was back out in Western Canada, driving all the way to the East Coast. Back to Western Canada, I've done 6 back-to-back trips. I've done 80,000 miles. And then over my winter pass, I was driving to Fairbanks, Alaska all winter. Right out past the big Air Force base there. That's what I was doing all winter, back and forth from Grand Prairie, Alberta to Fairbanks, Alaska. So I had a fairly busy winter, go ahead.
Yeah, the last 4 years at West Point, I was going out on the fleets and we were doing emergency calls and doing towbacks. I had 24 in a row that I didn't have to have towed back. And we got them back in. The last one, I was going to hit 25, and me and the other Eddie went out. We went out together because we both had 24 pulling them in. We drove them in, and it was on the thruway, and it was a coach, a J coach, with its nose hanging out, and in the back we would have got our butts wiped off for putting the sensor in there, so we had to have that one towed in. So we both lost our 24 straight, that one. But driving, we did a lot of that. I had a commercial for many years, and finally got inside in the mechanics. So I'll say 73. We're going to have rain tonight, and it's 75 here right now, and we'll see what happens tonight. Probably another inch of rain. So this to the family again, and thank you very much for the gift, Jason. WB1WM clear.
WB1 WM VO1SDS. Okay, 7-3. Thank you very much, Brent, and we'll look forward. I don't have you in my log, so if I contacted or we had contact before, I didn't put it in. Maybe you heard me and you were looking up my website or something. That's all I can see. But anyway, yeah, I've got some people where I've got 40 contacts with them, and they all show up. So I try to put whatever I can into QRZ. So anyway, 7-3, my friend. Take care and all the best. We look forward to catching you again down the log. Victor Ocean 1, Sugar Delta Sierra. Kilo Delta 9, Richard Delta Lima. November 4, November 0 Tango. Kilo Zulu Charlie. Kilo Delta 8, sorry I didn't catch the other letters. Kilo Delta 8. Is it Kilo Delta 8? Kilo Zulu Charlie. Roger. Kilo Delta 8, Kilo Zulu Charlie. Victor Ocean 1, Sugar Delta Sugar. Okay, Tim, got you there. I'm looking at your website. You're sitting in a uniform. I'm not sure if you're a police officer or fireman. I'm just not sure. But anyway, I've got you there, sir, and thank you for giving me a call. Certainly appreciate it there for sure. Kilo Delta 8, Kilo Zulu Charlie, Victor Ocean 1, Sugar Delta Sugar. Roger Dale, yeah, operator here, as you know, Tim, Tango India Mike, and firefighter, volunteer for my community for about 13 years, and just retired and let the young bucks run around. So definitely a young man's game, but nonetheless, I still enjoy the radio, and you're probably the strongest, if not one of the strongest on the waterfall, so I wanted to yeah, okay, very good, Tim, not a problem. Yeah, I never worked structural fire, but my first work in the oil field was as a fireman out in Western Canada, and that is totally a different world altogether. You fight the source of the fire, which would be the wellhead, and then you work at getting it out. But yeah, it was quite an interesting career for a little while, and then I went back to driving truck in the oil field, moving crude oil all over the place. And now I'm actually when I work out west in the winter, I actually haul around water, salt water actually. They use it for drilling, and it helps them speed up the drill bit going down in the wells. So they actually cut through the ground a lot faster with the salt water because of the abrasiveness of the salt that's in the actual water. So it actually makes a huge difference. But yeah, never done structural, but I did watch a few things burn. But yeah, we fought a couple of well fires, and you got got to make sure you got earplugs in and muffs on, your shield down, because it is so hot. It is very, very hot. And like I say, it's very loud when that's screaming out of a well. So, yeah, by the time you get the wellhead cooled down, it might take half a day, but you start getting it cooled down, lots of water on it, and then you start to fight the source. Then above that, so you got to get the flame out. So it all takes quite a bit, a lot of foam, a lot of powder, but yeah, the purple K goes a long way out there. So there you go. Anyway, yeah, I got you 5.9 plus 15 there now, Tim. So your sounding choice this way. Kilo Delta 8, Kilo Zulu Charlie, Victor Ocean 1, Sugar Delta Sugar. Well, thank you, Dale. The operator conditions here is the ICOM 7300 into an ACOM linear, the baby brother, the 1010. But it definitely does its thing at about 700 watts right now, and going into a 3-element Mosley at about 40 feet. So generally pointed in your direction, sir. Yeah, okay, very good, Tim. Well, no problem to copy you. That's the reason why you're getting such a good signal out there. And yeah, I'm using the Fox Tango DX3000, running about 60 watts out of the radio, and I'm giving now 750 out of the amplifier, which is an ACOM 1000, and my antenna is a high gain TH11 sitting up at 64 feet with 3 active elements pointing at you there, sir. Well, roger that. Well, you are definitely booming in 20 over to 25 over, so it's definitely doing its thing. And yeah, I can't go wrong with the linear. It's same family as yours. And I've keyed up when I shouldn't have, and had it off dialed, and all kinds of things that would have normally blown a linear up, and it just kind of looks at you like you're an idiot, and safety checks me, and knock on wood, it's still operating well. So it was my first experience with one. I actually bought it at a ham convention, and picked it up for less than what you were paying at like ham radio outlets and things like that. So anyway, I know there's a big pile up. I know there's a lot of guys waiting their turn. I just wanted to get a chance to shake your hand, Dale, and compliment the chef on the electronics of your station, the sound of it sounding great. Okay, Tim. Well, thank you very much. And yeah, I bought my ACOM 1000 right from Radio World in Toronto. I had nothing that was close to me, so I had to get it shipped 2,500 miles. The first one came in, and this is the second. This is a replacement. The first one came in, and the first thing I noticed that the front of the box was damaged, and I looked a little closer, and there was rocks stuck in the front of the carpet. So anyway, I opened it up, and sure enough, the dials on the front were all pushed right into the face, and the rocks had not penetrated the entire box, but it was shook up pretty bad. It had a couple of good dings on the corners and whatever. So I called them up and told them, and they sent a courier to pick it up, and they sent me back another one 2 weeks later, and I've had no problems with this one. This has been a great amplifier, and I've done the same as yourself. I've been on the wrong band and keyed up, and like, oh, nothing happening. How come I got no output power? You're looking at it, and you're doing like 13 watts, and you're like, yeah, this is not right. Then all of a sudden you realize, oh, I didn't change bands. I'm on probably 10 meters, and I'm trying to transmit on 40. Oh my! But it's great that it's got so many safety features built in. It works so well, and so easy to dial up when you need to change bands. That's the thing that I like about it. I got a little chart, and I go by it, and yeah, within a matter of 2 minutes, I'm up and transmitting if I change bands there. So it doesn't take long, maybe even less than that. But yeah, it's definitely been worth the expense. I'm not disappointed with it at all. So anyway, yours is sounding great on your end, and my Yaesu settings have been on this now since 2018. Haven't changed anything. Don't go into the settings whatsoever on the radio. I just let it do its thing. So it seems to work well for me also. Okay, we'll say 7-3 to you and take care, and we'll look forward to catching you again down the log. KD8, KZ Charlie, Victor Oscar 1, Sugar Delta Sugar. I was just looking at the log here, wondering if I put in everything I needed to. So anyway, I got you